High, lean in close, like we're huddled over a flickering monitor in the dim glow of a storm-ravaged night, trading secrets on what it takes to outrun the ordinary. You're the storm chaser in this digital wild, the one who dives headfirst into pixelated tempests, craving rigs that roar back at the fury instead of buckling under it. Hold that thought, dart your gaze to the link below and snag a read on the current deal in stock, 'cause thunder like this rolls in fast and fades faster. It snuck up on you in the heat of a boss fight, didn't it? That clunky desktop from the bargain bin era, its GPU choking on shadows like a drowned engine, spiking temps that turned epic clashes into sweat-soaked standoffs, leaving you sidelined with blue screens and throttled dreams, wondering if you'd ever break free from the mediocrity trap. But oh, when the Skytech Rampage ignites on your desk, it's a thunderclap of vindication, that raw, chest-thumping release as the old shackles snap, replaced by this predatory grace that coils through your veins, arming you with the audacity to push boundaries without flinching. No longer scraping by, you're surging forward, every fiber alive with the certainty that you forged a pact with untamed power, turning hesitation into havoc. Catch the rush, you're entrenched in a frenzy of multiplayer mayhem, teams fracturing and reforming in crystalline chaos, bullets tracing lethal arcs while your aim stays laser true, the arena pulsing with a ferocity that mirrors your own unbridled charge. Shift gears to modding marathons in the witching hour, assets importing like whispers, textures resolving in velvet strokes that birth custom realms no one else dares dream. Or those off-grid escapes, hooking it to the big screen for co-op brawls with the crew, laughter echoing as worlds warp and respawns hit like lightning, pure, unfiltered bond over battles that bind. Strip away the charts, it's the primal jolt when immersion engulfs you whole, that feral heartbeat syncing with silicon symphonies, where split seconds stretch into eternities of dominance, igniting a hunger that devours doubt and spits out victories, leaving you exalted in the afterglow of conquests carved from code. Whoa there, don't let phantom drops in supply or those erratic deal dives leave you high and dry. This spark's yours to seize before the sky's clear. You catch yourself second-guessing, does the flare scream too showy for subtle setups, or will the cooling symphony disrupt the hush? Reframe it, that flare becomes your war banner, rallying focus amid the fray, and the symphony? It's the victorious drumbeat celebrating loads that lesser hearts couldn't endure. Plus, the stealth mode it slips into for lighter loads, dead silent when you're plotting strategies over coffee, an ninja ally that guards your edge without fanfare, weaving surprise into your arsenal like an ace up the sleeve. Grasping this beast reshapes your silhouette, you prowl with the feral pride of a legend maker, the weaver of sagas that ripple through clans and streams, each surge affirming, this is the forge of your ferocity, tempered for odysseys that eclipse the echo of what was. Relish the blaze of frames that fuse with your instincts, the fortress of multitasking that devours tabs and tools alike, the ecstasy of upgrades that unfold without a stutter, the anchor of endurance through dawn patrols, and the fierce elation of a companion that amplifies your anarchy, from skirmishes to symphonies of self. Admittedly, it hungers for prime airflow to unleash its wildest howls, and sinking the light show could coax a few experimental tweaks if you're chasing cosmic vibes. But hey, those are rites of passage, honing your domain into something savagely singular. One dawn, the haze of endless specs dissolves, you cease the siege of side-by-sides and heed the thunder in your blood, the verdict that's thrummed since the first glimpse. This is the reckoning you've rallied for, raw and resolute. Storm the gates, pounce on that button, unleash it in your lair, and let the first frame forge your fire anew. The wild awaits your wrath, unleash it without mercy.